Okay, so the talking points from 8A script, then we go to 8B. And here, my method here was to sort of do frequently asked questions approach. So having taught IH for almost 20 years now and teaching, a lot of the same text for 20 years, right? Um, it's pretty clear what what some of the basic questions are. So um, I tried to do that. So I tried to sort of just synthesize all the questions I've gotten over the years about the Communist Manifesto, and then I've tried to just sort of do it on three levels, right? One, two, and three here. So the first question, what is the rationale for reading the Communist Manifesto in IH at Temple University in this general education requirement? So why in the 21st century, or why historically has the Communist Manifesto been seen as a text that college students, undergraduate students need to read or is useful for them to read? Okay? And then I've gone to the basic question, right, which is, well, after the fall of communism and the repeated failures of communism as a system, why are we still reading it, right? And so, I've addressed that, and, hopefully that'll be useful for you. But basically the move is that it might not work as a system, economic or political system, but as a critique, as a theoretical and practical critique of capitalism and democracy, the Communist Manifesto is still pretty useful. So we can still use the Communist Manifesto as a tool, as a technology, to illuminate, things around us, phenomena around us, and phenomena around us like capitalism, which oftentimes are hard to conceptualize and hard to find a language to articulate about with. So, and then it goes to a continuation of that. General critique, so how does the Communist Manifesto illuminate capitalism, right? So this begins here, right? So I look at the idea of materialism, critique it all, first of all, labor versus possession versus ownership, and then the logic of capitalism, and then the history of capitalism.